morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Sika Octavia, a student class of 2022 at IKI Siliwangi. My academic focus centers around elementary education teacher. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is teachers' effort to increase students' learning motivation in elementary school. In my presentation, I'll focus on three major issues. First, opening, second, main part, and last, closing. It shall take about 30 minutes to cover the issue. Please interrupt if you have any question. To talk about teacher efforts to increase student learning motivation in elementary school. Part 1, summary and introduction. In the learning system, motivation is one of the main dynamic aspects. There is often a phenomenon where students who do not achieve will are not just by their lack of ability, but because they lack motivation to learn so that the students do not try to stimulate their capacity to learn. Learning motivation is one of the determining factors in achieving educational goals, but motivation from within oneself and motivation from the surrounding environment. Miskovska 2020. According to Zamara, motivation is a stimulus that changes energy within oneself into a form of real activity to achieve goals. Yadnya et al. 2021. Motivation is feelings and responses when carrying out activities. Part 2. Methodology. The research method used in this research is descriptive qualitative research, where, according to Denzin and Lincoln, qualitative research is research with intent to infer a phenomenon that occurs and is carried out using various methods and uses natural settings. Setiawan, 2018. In this descriptive qualitative research, the researcher will use various things nuanced according to the original form in analyzing data. Bogograhani, Farida, and Hum, 2014. Turning our attention now to main findings. Part 3. Main findings. First finding, forms of low learning motivation. Based on research that has been carried out by means of interviews and observations, it is felt that the learning motivation of students at SD Aisyah Surya Ceria Karanganyar is lacking, which can be seen from the participation or involvement of students during learning. This is characterized by late submission of assignments, and there are even some students who have not completed their assignments if the teacher does to reprimand. And main findings, number 2, causes of low motivation to learn. Environmental factors can be in the form of family environmental conditions where students are victims of a broken home, parents who pay little attention to student learning efforts at home and seem to give up their hands in learning matters and leave it completely to the school. It now like to move on to the next part. Next part, is conclusion. From the expression above, it can be concluded that the form of learning motivation is a lack of student involvement during learning, such as not submitting assignments on time, a lack of student activities such as no response when the teacher asks question, and students who do not pay attention to learning. The factors that cause student low learning motivation come from students' conditions, such as student physical, mental, or emotional conditions and environmental factors. But the family environment and the school environment. Meanwhile, to increase students' learning motivation, teacher participation in needed with efforts, such as providing rewards in the form of achievement starts. Creating a comfortable learning atmosphere for students. And last part is closing. Thank you for listening and your concern. Does you anyone have question?